Hmm. 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 Well, my name's Dr. Eli, and I think that you are suffering from a bit of a Facebook engagement crisis. But don't worry, we have solutions for this problem. So, according to my medical textbooks, one of the best ways to build Facebook engagement is to post images. Often you'll see these images have text overlaid, and it's often called a meme or a Facebook postcard. Now you're like, ooh, I gotta have a fancy graphic designer to make one of those. And I'm not gonna lie to you, those are great people to have. But we can solve these problems without fancy graphic designers. We can fake it with online tools. So one of the easiest ways is just to go to Rafflebot. I'll drop the URL here into the video. And so all you want to do is select your image, come up with a clever caption, and upload that thing to Facebook. Magic. Watch this. So we're going to go pick ourselves a file. So I've got one pre-selected. Boom. We have an image. Now we just need to add some text. Bang. You'll see those pieces of text have just shown up, and I can just drag them around, resize them, all of that jazz. One of the tips I'm going to give you is if you use a font called Impact and do it white with a black outline, it's a very common meme style. So if you do it with that Impact font, it's going to look right. And once you've got everything to your taste, you just click Save Image, boom, here you have it, and you can just post that immediately to Facebook or save that image on your computer, and you're off to the races. So that's pretty much it. Obviously, the real creative work is done by you, who has to come up with the image and the caption, but the technical parts are super easy and you don't need a fancy graphic designer for that. One more hint for you is right here, which is if you go to this page here on Facebook, the Pages, Sizes, and Dimensions page, it will give you the standard width and heights of your image, and I strongly suggest that you work within those constraints, because that way you won't have any of the text cropped from the side or the top when it shows up in people's Facebook timelines, and you've probably seen that before. So if you want to avoid that, one, I suggest testing that image on your own Facebook page just to be sure, and then also follow some of these guidelines. That's it. I think you're ready to go.